When it comes to legendary American muscle cars, the Pontiac GTO is always near the top of the list. Known as the car that started the muscle car era back in 1964, the GTO evolved through the years, with each redesign adding its own character. While early first-generation GTOs are often considered the most collectible, the early 1970s models carry their own unique appeal, especially when finished in sinister black. A prime example is this triple black 1971 Pontiac GTO, a hardtop coupe that proves just how menacing a muscle car can look. Coming from Adrian, Michigan, this particular GTO is the real deal, a true 242 VIN goat that has been with the same family for over 3 decades. Although it underwent an older restoration, the paint and interior remain in outstanding shape, giving it the presence of a freshly restored classic. Under the hood lies Pontiac's 400 cubic inch V8, one of the 2 engines offered in 1971. This 4-barrel powerhouse produced 300 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque when new, making it no slouch on the streets. While the larger 455 cubic inch V8 was the top dog, the 400 still delivered plenty of muscle car thrills. Even better, this GTO retains its numbers-matching engine and 3-speed automatic transmission, complete with the rare console shifter, a detail that collectors always look for. Condition-wise, this goat looks fantastic both inside and out. Yes, the interior shows a bit of dust and the engine bay could use a cleaning, but these are minor details that hardly detract from the car's overall value. What makes it more exciting is that this particular car is being sold at auction without a reserve, meaning it will go to the highest bidder no matter what. At the time of reporting, bidding had already surpassed $20,000 with strong interest from enthusiasts. Considering the rarity of 1971 GTOs, with just over 10,500 produced, including only 9,497 hardtops, this one is already attracting serious attention. According to market data, examples typically fetch around $64,000 depending on options and condition, though this one, with its 400 V8, is expected to sell for under $45,000. In the world of muscle cars, a triple black Pontiac GTO is a head-turner and a dream machine. It's a mix of history, rarity, and raw attitude, everything collectors and enthusiasts crave.